Say hi. Say hi. The queue is quite long already to get in. For the Dino Snores event. So we're sleeping in here tonight. The queue is quite long. Oh my god, let's get a good spot to sleep. You guys, Zach, come on. Oh my god. Oh. See everyone queuing. Oh. Guys. Oh. Look. Oh. Wow. Oh. It's like a movie, you guys, like a movie. Wow.
We have to be together.
Yes. Who's excited? Who's excited? I'm excited too, but I'm a big kid. I never grew up. I'll always be a Toys R Us kid, huh?
They have to check our bag.
Yeah, of course. So we're going to our team leader, you guys. Wow, people are sleeping. Let's go up, Layla. Come on. Oh.
We're going up the stairs.
Yeah, come on. Here's our team leader. We're the blue team. Oh my god. So we're gonna sleep up here. This is, you guys, where are we gonna sleep? Where do you want to sleep?
So that's like...
We have to choose a spot, a good spot to sleep.
Right here.
Come on, where? Back here is the toilet though.
So we can sleep near the toilet.
Oh my god, where are we gonna sleep? Where are we gonna sleep?
Sleep by a bench.
So we're gonna, do you guys want this bit? Here. Or the end? Maybe the end? Or I think we should go over here because we're closer to the toilets. Over there. Yeah. Yeah? Here?
Here. Yeah. We're gonna sleep by the bench. So we have like a place to eat. I think... No, let us sleep here.
I don't know. We're by the crystals, you guys. We're by the crystals.
I want more privacy.
Okay. So this is our camping spot here tonight. Our little corner. Our spot. Zach, say hi. Layla, say hi. Say hi. Then look at the, let me see the pass. Hold out. So it's Dino Snores. Here's our little spot. We're right by the crystal rock area.
So do you want to explore
Clint.
now?
By the crystals. People are setting up camp next to us here. You guys, Layla, come on, let's go down. Here's the, wow. Wow. More people are still coming in.
See, I told you that was...
Oh, wow.
We were like the first...
Oh. Layla, let's go have a look. Come on. Zach is just chilling. Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on, Lay. Come on. Come on. Layla, come on. Layla, come on. We have the museum to ourselves, you guys. I feel like such a big kid. You can see some of the exhibits all to ourselves. Oh my god. We were gonna choose these spots, but we're like, no, we found a better spot. Richard Owen. Hello, Richard Owen. Thomas Henry Huxley. Thomas. Layla, where are you? Oh my God. The birds here. Charles Darwin. You know how amazing it is to have this wonderful museum like this for children? Alfred Russel Wallace. Get your phone, get the video. Oh my God. And what's this little guy? Lay? Look, Layla. Layla. Oh my God! Layla, go get some video. Our spot. So this is our little camping spot. Here we are. Here we are. Our camping spot. Wow. Wow. I'm a big kid here. Oh my God. Some campers down there. We're gonna have a fun night tonight. It's the Dino Snores Space Special. We're on Team Blue. A lot of activities. Dinner here, breakfast in the morning. Wow. Wow. Our little camp. Love it here. Camp zone here. Camping out here. So everyone's setting up camp. They're on different teams. We are Team Blue. This is the Dino Snores Space Special. It's an amazing place. Layla, Zach. So we're having some food here. Oh my God. I don't know, where are they? This way? Not that one, not that one. Here. Come on, this way, you guys, this way. Oh. It's here, you guys, look. Oh. T-Rex is here.
That's here too.
T-Rex is here. Oh.
That's scary. Oh, it's looking at me. Let's see if I look at it. Let's see if I look.
Imagine having this place to yourself. Oh my gosh. Come on.
Where's the gate?
Zach.
Let's start my bus.
Ooh, look at this. Layla, come on. I know. It's bigger.
Can we get something?
Yeah. This is a real panda at one time. Layla, come on, go. You have
It's
to
a real panda,
Yeah. It's taxidermy.
but it's dead. They put stuffing in
Yeah. Nice Chi-Chi. Ooh, the Chi-Chi. Oh, a giant panda. Aww. Oh, cute. You read about the reptiles?
It's a scream.
Yeah, they used to be alive, Zach. Look, Rhea. Look.
There you go. So this is a whale shark. That's where we go. That is a exotic shark. He also got a shark, left shark. He's got so that's it. That's it. Yeah, that's the megalodon. Like guys, everyone's just telling me megalodon. But megalodons actually exist. And if you can't
Oh, look. Oh, that's interesting.
That's not a big.
Let's draw now, Zach. Come on, let's do some activities.
whatever you want on it, but we do have stencils.
Oh, cool.
And if you did want to name them, we have the.
Your name?
But you've got to get it in the right order. So for me, because I had Mercury down there.
Oh, yeah.
I had to reverse the order
Oh, right.
instead of doing them
Okay.
like this. But if you did it this way round, and the sun was over there, then that would be in the right order.
See all the planets. Wow.
That lovely girl behind that other lady was.
Oh my god, so cool. You're gonna design your bag, Zach? Yeah? Okay, you have to get your colors. Okay, come on.
I think the blue is currently all over the table.
You're gonna do the solar system, the planets? Or are you gonna do animals, dinosaurs?
And planets.
So when are you gonna do the dinosaurs or the planets? I think to do planets too.
Yeah, I would do planets.
Zach is doing the planets. Oh yes, look at her design.
Oh, that's really good. This is it. You've done it. It's good.
Yeah, and look, Zach, look at the Natural History Museum 2025.
Yeah, you've got one of those. You have one of those.
Yeah.
Here. There you go. You've got everything you need.
Yeah, it's brilliant. Thank you. Layla?
I like the way you're using the dinosaurs.
Come on, you guys, go straight. We can do drawing here too, on the way back out. Look at Dodo Bird.
I told you. I just didn't know what it was.
Look, there's a hungry hippo. Which way? This way? Here? Where's the Attenborough? Oh, the Attenborough studio.
Is this here?
We gotta come back through. Where's the Attenborough event?
Oh, you went here for primary school. Yeah.
The event, yeah, at 7:30.
We went here for primary school.
Did you?
Yeah.
Oh wow! Thank you.
No, we went here for primary school.
Did you? He's very friendly, huh?
Very. Doesn't really take himself back into his shell that much.
Oh my God! Zach, let me see.
I feel so slimy.
Pretty slimy. It's pretty good. There we go. So, let's pop him back.
You like him?
Let's add to our little alien. Right, what are you doing there, buddy? You gonna stay on there if I tip you upside down?
Did you like him?
That is Michelle.
Who's that?
Michelle is a lot bigger.
We saw Sheldon.
There we go.
I love it.
She won't move, she's good. She's a fairly well-behaved cockroach. You don't want to give this one a go?
Wow, look, they touch you.
Not a fan?
Can he hold the snake?
It feels so good.
Zach, you want to hold her?
That's it.
Blossom.
I have one in my school.
Have you?
That is bigger than I thought. That's a wild boar.
A wild boar.
A little cub. They were big.
Exploring the museum at
They're this
night.
big.
These are,
What's that? Is that a blue whale?
yeah.
That is not a blue whale.
Look at the bison. Being here. Wow. It's great. This way, Zach. This way, hon.
It's
God, what is everywhere? Horses. This way. What is that? Oh, a leg of a. It's down here.
Wait,
It's down here. It's down here. Oh, wow. Look. Isn't this a wonderful experience to have this museum to ourselves at night? It's the other side. Ooh. Not that way. Not that way. Can we go up that way? Let's go back to where we were. We're gonna see the panda.
Let's go then. Oh, look, what's up there?
Oh yeah, look.
I'm not doing the biggest creature on earth.
Yeah.
Jack, don't push past people. See, hippos can't swim. Hippos actually
Oh, look, his cap is so cute. That's cute. I want to be that.
That's a pygmy hog.
Pygmy.
A pygmy hog. Come on, you guys. Ooh, hey, come on. A polar bear, giant carnivore.
Not that big, but big.
Look at this. Oh, look. Wow. Oh, the dinos were there, remember? Oh.
Have a quick. Sorry, I didn't.
Oh my God, it's night, you guys. Let's go finish our bags. Our bags, you guys.
What did you get that for?
It's that one, then she drew this that one, then she drew this.
I don't want that.
Wow.
Yes, exactly.
Oh, it's like,
Yes.
Yeah, they put experiments with these things these days. Not naturally, no.
It's an experiment. Yeah.
oh, we come back, yeah? Okay. The very end. Yeah, at the very end. Yeah, here. No, it's here. Oh, birds. Here it is, down here. Yeah. Ooh. Look at the hummingbirds. This is now we're doing another event. Another event here.
Hands up if you think the mantle is solid. Hands up if you think the mantle is a liquid. Hands up if you've got no idea. Okay. It is in fact solid. The mantle is solid. It's still really hot and it can move. move, but it's solid. It's kind of got a texture like Play-Doh. It's squashable, right? The sun is made up of hot, bubbling gas, things like hydrogen and helium. Now this gas is bubbling away and it gets so hot it turns into something we call plasma.
Cancer, yeah. Can I just go to sleep?
Yeah, we're going to sleep.
Look at that little. Let's do it. Yeah, for Julia. Oh, his
these.
mouth. He died with his mouth open.
Yeah.
How did he die? with
Look,
his
look,
mouth?
look at these.
Oh, he didn't head. He got beheaded.
See that?
Oh my god, a toucan head.
Look.
A toucan head.
Where? Oh, toucan head? Wow.
What is that? Is that a pigeon head?
I don't know.
Wait, I want to see a pigeon head.
Look at this one. Look at the owls.
Or something. Wait, can I see a pigeon head? Oh, look at this little head. Look.
Oh, look at the peacock head.
Is that nice? Come on. Look, come on. Look.
Don't grab me like that.
Look at that little tiny head.
Oh.
Oh, look at that long beak as well. You can take a picture.
Yeah. Come on. Look at the hummingbirds. You guys, look. Look at the hummingbirds.
How's Papa not asleep yet?
Oh, wow. Look at these. You go to sleep now. Go to sleep. Look, time to go to sleep. This has been a great night. So much fun. I'm tired though. So we had our breakfast. In the T-Rex restaurant. About to be wrapped up. Morning breakfast. Almost time to go. All our stuff. The creepy crawlies. Ooh, look, look.
Crabs and their relatives,
Look, they have a mini class in their mouth.
Yeah.
centipedes and millipedes, and the millions of insects. Welcome to the world of arthropods.
The arachnids. Weird being here with no people. There, look at the story. Look, Liv. Look. Read it.
I'm not reading that. This is what we eat, right?
Huh?
Shrimp or cocktail.
No, that's lobster. Do you hear anything? Great. Now we're doing a hunt. Last activity. Going on a hunt. You found one? Oh, you found the dodo. Did you? It's not the dodo? Oh, no. Which one was it, Leigh, that you found with the hunt? What's the name of this one?
Oh, a showgirl.
You have to write it. Zach, did you write it?
This one.
Oh, wow. Yeah? Okay. Did you find another one?
What is it? It says left to right.
What is it? What is that? Don't. Oh, it's a moment. Ooh.
Let me write it.
Duck.
So I like quirky, strange things, so I should be showing you some strange things. And if I walk past something and it's
This way?
It says earth.
Yeah, Earth Hall. She woke up. T-Rex arms. Yeah.
No.
Yeah. Did you do the? She did it, and she found almost all the words. I mean, all the artifacts.
Word search.
What did he say? Something I'm ugly, but what can I do? It's not my fault I have a bill like a shoe bill. Oh. Bye. Say bye, you guys. Last